Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. So as you see today, what the market is doing here, it's showing us what we said yesterday. We said it's going to stay here sideways, and that's what it's showing. From here, it tried to go up. Now it's showing a down candle. So there is nothing new. The market is still here sideways. And also we tell it to you before. Look at it now. Here what it done, he came down here, he go up, down again, up, down again. So the market is still very flat, and as you see down here, look at the volume. The volume is still drying, and that's what I told you before, if you remember. And for the people that been with us, by the way, if you are not with us, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join us in Telegram if you want. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. Also, we said in the previous videos, guys, we said the volume is getting dry, and that's what the market big players or big whales or big sharks, or name them whatever you want, those ones we said about them, they want the people to lose the hope of them in the market, and that's what it's showing now here. It's showing everyone is scared and investors, they're losing the hope to enter long, and that's what I told you. Started started buying slowly by slowly. You don't know when is that market going to take off. Every month by a little bit, or every week, depending on how much money you earn or where you live. Just started DCA. You are in a very historical moment. It will never go back here. So start DCA and leave everything to the future. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicators, what the same for picture to be more clear to you. The one here, as you see it, when we touch here down, also we enter long, we buy from here us. Now, as you see it, it's showing to us. That one is very common pattern. Every time I've been showing it to you. You know that one, that 2 down, 3 up, is going to become like how it happened here, as you see it. And like how it happened here now. Because over here, look at it. What it give you here, 1, 2, and over here the third one, and down how many, 1, 2. Now here either it's going to give you up here 3 and 2 down. That means it's going to fall down more, and we are going to go to 12k. Or another scenario is going to do like that, to give you 2 down and it will going up. But let's wait in the coming days, guys, because till now also we are not sure. Because over here it's showing it's going to give you 3 up, here 3, and after that you're going to see it falling down to the oversold. That scenario. Another scenario is going to come just to give you here like that, the second one down, then after that you're going to see it going up. But that it needs to give you only 2 up and 2 down. 2 peaks I'm talking here. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you guys. Here we are in the 4 hours. 4 hours, I told you yesterday, some people they telling you here a wage like that, because I saw them, a lot of them in the internet. They told you if it's breaking here you enter long. Now it's breaking, well if you enter long. No, my friend, I tell you all those things no, because look at it now, it's breaking here in that place, yes or no? Look at it. And that candle here is breaking. Now it's moving down again. Look here. Now what it's showing? It's going down again. What is going to do now? It's going to fall down till here. Then after that like that. The volume is getting dry. And if you remember when the Bitcoin falling down by that FTX news, what I told you? I told you is a falling knife. You can't catch it. It's need to bounce. And all those things you see here, that the bouncing from that falling, guys. And down here, what it's showing to you, look at the volume down. The volume is very dry. There is no one buying, no one selling. People, they lose the hope in the Bitcoin. And what did I told you else? Where should we buy? Where should we enter short? I told you, look at that level here, that supply and demand zone here, and that one here. It need a candle either to come to close above that level here, or another one to come to close below that level here. By a body, not a tail. The body of the candle, it needs to close below that level. Everything is too clear, guys. You know what I'm saying or not? It needs the body of the candle to close below that level, guys. There is more pain coming to the market, but need to stay stronger, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our indicators, what the same for picture to be more clear to you. By the way, did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it, helping us, guys. You know that channel without you it can grow up. We don't ask you to give us money or anything. We just ask you to smash the like button, and please write with it a comment. Write a comment, because those things they helping us, that channel, to growing up. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend, and I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. Let's go into see our our indicators what they're saying. That one here, yesterday we used to be here. I told you over here there is nothing to do. Now what it's showing, it go back to that trend line as we have. As you see, that white one here is an uptrend as we being followed. And Bitcoin, it's showing here, it's going with it. After we being here at the oversold area, as you see. Now we are in it. That's the third time. Now, either from that level, we are going to go back up till the divergence trend line here. Then after that, we're going to see if we're going to fall down again or no. Because till now, me, I'm still, we are going to go till the divergence trend line here. Then after that, we're going to drop, guys. Not from here. From here, it's still very, very early now. But maybe from here, we're going to break because the bears, as you know, also we are here in the control of the bears. Yes or no? And over here, the bears were controlling. There is no bulls. So if the bears, they decide, do not allow the market to come till here to cheat some people, for some people to enter, then they are going to push it exactly from here down. You get what I'm saying or not? So we need to wait in what's going to happen now. At this moment, there is nothing to do, guys. Just wait. The right moment. I'm talking here about swing trading. For swing traders, just wait. Waiting the right moment. Till now, it's not came. Everything is too clear. Now we're going to see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, as you see it, also we are here at the oversold area. Level, we are in a very stronger level. Price action, we need the market to come to break that level. If it doesn't, there is no entry, guys. The market don't break that level, there is no entry. Look here. Look that level. Also, we're talking about it need to break it again. You saw it or not? Even if we go back to the past, you're going to find it a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. And as you see it, every time it used to react like a very stronger support. Now it's being broke, guys. You take those big investors or all the investors, they don't know that level here is a very stronger support or resistance now. Of course they know it and they got eyes. That's why me I told you it needs to be broken here. Unless if you want another story, if you want to enter from here to here, that's another story. Yes, you can enter from here to that level here. But after that level here, you need to look in just to short if it doesn't break. You get what I'm saying or no? If you want just to enter from here to here, that's another story. You can enter now. Everything is too clear, guys. Now it's going to 30 minutes to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, what else we said in the last video here? We said we used to have here a wage like that. Yes or no? And we said from here, we need to enter. Over here, I told you take profit in the last videos. The last two videos, go back and watch them. I told you over here, take profit. And what happened now? Look at it. Now here, what it given us? We got here a price action, guys. People, they being with us. Which price action we got here? Look here. That the shoulder. Over here, that the head. Another shoulder, guys. You see it now or no? It's very clear now. We got here a head and shoulder. What is the neckline? Neckline is here. As you see it. Did it break it? If that candle here, which is going now, it close like that, you need to enter short. Where it need to be to take profit? Maybe here. Just here. You get what I'm saying or no, guys? If that 30-minute candle close like how it is now, you enter short. Why? Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's being here at the overbought area. That's where us we taking profit. Now it's coming out on the candle here. It's breaking the neck line of that head and shoulder us we showing you. If it close like that, by the way, it left for it 7 minutes. If it close like that, you need to enter short down. Take profit, it needs to be down at the oversold area, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle finish it. Bye for now, guys.